Thinking of selling your business? Then listen carefully. Because timing could make or break your deal. Right now, buyers are not looking everywhere. They're chasing specific industries and paying premium for them. If you're in healthcare or social services, demand is skyrocketing. If you own a logistics or delivery business, e-commerce is driving serious buyer interest. Running a tech, digital, or online service business, you're sitting on one of the most attractive assets in today's market. Even construction, hospitality, and education businesses are seeing strong buyer activity again. And if your business touches renewable energy, fintech, or cybersecurity, you're in a high-growth category buyers actively compete for. Here's the truth. Businesses in growing industries don't just sell faster. They sell at higher valuations. So before you list your business, position it, package it, sell the growth story. Want serious buyers, not time wasters? Follow for smarter strategies to sell your business faster and for more